Tired of dealing with dry, dull, or frizzy hair that just won't cooperate? Imagine a shampoo that not only cleanses but also brings out your hair's natural shine, softness, and silkiness. Finesse Restore Plus Strengthen Normal Shampoo promises exactly that. Hair that's easier to brush, style, and love. If you're ready to upgrade your hair care routine, this might be the boost you've been searching for. What sets this shampoo apart is its unique blend of camellia oil and active proteins like soy, silk, and keratin. Camellia oil, rich in omega-9 fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, works deep to revive and nourish your hair from root to tip. Meanwhile, the proteins help rebuild and strengthen each strand, improving texture and resilience. The result? Hair that feels alive, healthier, and noticeably stronger with every wash. I've seen firsthand how Finesse can change the game. A close friend's mom, who's 79, swears by it and has been using it for years. When it's hard to find in stores, she stocks up on Amazon to keep her hair looking fresh and manageable. It's not just about softness, it's about consistent care that prevents buildup, leaving hair clean and vibrant without weighing it down. Finesse isn't just for women, it's a solid choice for men too. Anyone who wants that fresh, clean feeling combined with silkiness and shine. Its signature fresh scent adds a subtle boost to your daily routine, making your hair smell as good as it looks. Whether your hair is normal, dry, or damaged, this shampoo adjusts to deliver what your hair truly needs. If you're looking for a shampoo that delivers real results, shinier, softer hair that's easier to manage, Finesse Restore Plus Strengthen Normal Shampoo is worth a look. It revitalizes hair without leaving residue and helps maintain healthy hair over time. Try it when you're ready to see what your hair can really do.